Alright, here we go. Here we go. Today, I'm gonna learn Blender. Right? That's something I wanted to do for a long time already, but like I just never managed to get at this point. Yeah, so now the question, where do I begin? Right? I have an enclosure, right? I have a 3D model in FreeCAD. So I probably have to export it to STL, I would assume. Right? So I have such a model. How do I export it? Okay, so I just basically select everything. Command E, step, and I choose STL. Downloads, enclosure, save. Let's open Finder. Oh, so it's basically a single file, but maybe it's okay actually, you know? Let's move it to here. Scale unit. Validate mesh. Import. Okay, good. Let's delete this one. Damn, it's huge. Anyway. Alright. Looks pretty good. Now I assume I want to move camera, right? How do I do that? Move the view. Okay, I got it here. How do I move it? Do I have to manually? No way I have to manually set the coordinates. Oh, I guess I found it. Damn, this navigation system is kinda uncomfortable. It will take some time to use to it. Okay. Wait, what have I done? What I'm doing? Okay, now if I'll press render image, what's gonna happen? Okay, I hope my stream not gonna die. Actually, will my stream die? It should not, right? Frame 1. Okay, it's fully rendered. It's rendered in one shot. Why I don't see anything? Wait a minute. Can I see like the POV of camera? Okay, actually no, I probably have to start with some tutorial. Blender quick guide. 3 steps, let's go. Not this one, come on. Oh, okay. This one is old. What version do I have? Release notes, manual. Oh, okay, this is good, Configuring, installing help systems sections, user interface, editors. Damn, is there like everything in one tutorial quickly? User interface. I mean, it's not something I really need. Okay, you know what I can do? I never used Blender before, and now I need to render and I need to make. What do I write? Stylish looking render of a keyboard I made. I have closure still. Closure is still. Switches and keycaps. Stills. where should I start? Palm. Let's go. How do I watch from POV of the camera? Blender, watch, cam, POV. Not POV, but POV. Camera view. We in the active camera. Settings the active camera. View camera set active. You the active camera. Numpad 0. I don't have numpad. View cameras, active camera. View cameras, active camera. Oh, it's like the render distance is way too small. Also, what's wrong with this size? Is it like... Wait, no way. Is this keyboard like in meters instead of millimeters? No way. Actually kinda ridiculous. Okay, what if I'll add default cube? How do I add default cube? Is it Command A? No, it's not. Add. Mesh. Cube. Scale 1. But what are like distance? Okay, so it was imported in meters instead of millimeters. That's bad. Let's delete it. Oops, my bad. Okay, it's kinda tough already. Finder. Downloads. Enclosure. Scale. Do I do 0.1 or 0.01? Probably 0.01. Scale unit. Okay, so if cube is 1 meter, it's actually too big. Wait. Okay, let's just... 0.1. Okay, nice. Where is cam? Can I reset it? View cameras, active camera. Okay, good. Good enough. Let's vote on the chat. Think of the process in distinct phases: setup and basics, getting Blender ready and learning how to look around, assembly, importing and arranging your keyboard parts, scene creation, building a simple photo studio for your keyboard, shading, making your plastic parts look like actual plastic. Lighting and camera, the most crucial steps for a stylish look. Rendering, creating final image. Okay, that kinda makes sense. Phase 1, set up the absolute basics. Before you even touch your styles, let's get you comfortable. Download and install Blender, organize your files, create a new folder for your project. Put your... I don't care. First launch. Open Blender, you'll see a splash screen. Wow, delete the default. Wow, learn to navigate. Okay. Importing and assembling a keyboard. Now let's bring your keyboard into the empty world. File import STL, navigate to your project folder and select your enclosure STL, click import STL. Repeat this process for your switches and keycaps. They will likely import on top of each other, which is fine. Organize your scene. Actually, I don't have switches STL. Switch. Oh, how do I call it? MX switch STL. Okay, can I get assemble one? Switch 3D model. GraphCAD. I mean, this one looks good. This one is okay too. Kale. Why does it have kale written on it? I don't like it. It's 3D. Oh, it's spinning. Okay, good. Do I have to leave with this diode? Can I remove it? By the way, who uses such diodes? Like, is there switches with built-in diodes? I never thought about such. Oh, Sketchfab. Is that what I need? Oh, actually, you know what? I'm gonna use choke switches and not to make switches. My bad. Kale, choke, V2 switch, 3D model. Kale is gonna find regular switches. Yep. Okay, V1. We found V1. V2. How realistic it is? I mean, probably good enough. Should be good enough. 100 per page. Okay, that's all. Let's download file then. Oh, thank you. Damn. Kill Choquito. But I don't want to print them, you know, I want like Blender Radium model. Key switch model. Silent Alpaca Choke. V2. Oh, so good. Blue, brown, red. Lofty. Wizard parts. Oh, so good. It's so good. Download. Here we go. Got it? Huh? Will it work? It will not? Import, file import. I can't import steps, seriously? How do I import step into Blender? Actually, I want to just Google it. I had good success with Open Cascade Cut Assistant. I opened the step and export it. Okay, so I have to open it in FreeCAD. Use a cut application like FreeCAD. Yep, that's what I thought it is. Okay, anyway, it should not be that hard. Open file. Wizard step. Okay. Okay, it's blue, which is weird, but okay. Also, I don't need this spring. Anyway. It's pretty good model, not gonna lie. It looks really realistic. Anyway, let's export it. Wait, why is there a... Oh, I see. Is it like how it's really? How it is? Interesting. Oh, interesting. That's so cool. Anyway. Export. Hello, Fares! Hello! Eating break right now. Okay. Привет. How are you doing? Damn, it's like this stream. Today's stream is gonna be so fun. You can't even imagine, you know. You better not to choke while eating. Always great as long as I'm alive. That's a great position to survive. What about me? Pretty good. Like, on recent days, I've created a poster for Flake version 2.0, right? It's so good. Like, when I ended it, I was so impressed. Like, I literally, next day after I created it, I've been just watching it for like 3 hours. I've been just staring at it and tweaking like small features, you know? I don't know, it's... I hate Blender and designing in general. I mean, like, I've been doing it in Figma, you know, and it's more like web design. But I've been using it more... I've been using Figma more like Photoshop, you know? And I would even say it's probably the best piece of design I've ever made, of graphic design. And I'm so proud of that. Like, I really want to show you right now, but I just... I don't want to show that on stream because I'm gonna release with Flake, you know? Actually, if you want, I can DM it to you in Discord, if you really want it. The best thing I did with design is probably the Kinter interface. Okay, DM if you want. Okay, now I need your opinion. Like, I already said that I can DM you, I cannot not DM you, right? I hope it does make sense. I'm really a non-design guy. I mean, it's like... design is... Any design is made for non-design guys, you know? It's like... It should work anyway, that's what I mean. Save me image. Okay, Discord. Give me a minute. I need design, guys, yeah. Where are you? First. You're 6092065. I assume that's him, right? I mean, I hope it is. For real, I just do scenes we understand and are good for me. I mean, that's like cool, but to the moment you just understand that you're stuck in your environment, you know, you just don't progress in a more like abstract way, no, more like how do I say it? More, you're not spread around, you know. Not really because I'm the god. Okay, I see. My bad. My bad even assuming something like that. Is it you? Like, your username is 9ADAR. Failed to send message. Your message could not be delivered. This is usually because you don't share a server with a recipient. I don't know how to read it. Or he is only accepting direct messages from friends. You can see full list of reasons here. Just like Terry. Will you create your own custom operation system? With direct memory access, it would be cool. And there is a word in my mother language. It means everything bad or good is from God. Okay, interesting. So your word has numbers? That's kind of weird. I want to. Okay, I see. I can write you, man. Accept request. Oh, wait. Can I now? Hi. Oh, I can. Yeah, here we go. It's temporary, like right now there is a screenshot from the CAD software, right? And I need to replace it with a Blender render. What do you think? Your opinion? It's actually like, it's not the latest one, but I mean you can get the understanding on how it's gonna look. What do I do? It's view, wait, view, cameras, active camera. Okay, I'm still missing it. Nah? What do you mean, nah? Okay, anyway. We are going here, we are exporting it as scale, lowercase scale, chalk, v2. Save. Oh, it's made of several You know, actually I can delete everything I don't want. That looks like your website. Does it really? I mean, it looks better, isn't it? I mean, kinda is, but this is probably for the better, isn't it? Like, it doesn't try to be that minimalistic. It's 100%, but the aesthetic... Okay, I feel... If so, it's even better. Like, it's not like I try to do it that way, but if so, I won't complain. Shrunken spleen, what is oh, wait a minute, can I? Wait a minute, top. Oh, damn, that's so cool! I can, like, literally see everything. Okay, I don't need spleen. Remove it. Stem. Click bar. I don't need it. Actually, I need only top and the plus thing. How's it called? Stem wizard. Oh, wizard is the name of the switch. Stem. I hate Nvidia and their garbage drivers that are only downgrading, I swear. That's for the software you said. That's for software you said? What do you mean? For I don't get it. I mean, that's so fun, especially like on Linux you have to download these closed source drivers when there is an AMD with just like Mesa. This thing you sent. This is for the software you said. It's for the keyboards. Huh? For the software you said. I don't quite understand it. Still. By the way, there is like NVIDIA open source drivers. There is a project. How's it called? It was 3 letters, I forget it. Linux. NVK, yeah, it's NVK. NVK is Vulkan driver for NVIDIA GPUs. I know about it because, like, these drivers are reverse engineered for NVIDIA GPUs, and they're open source. And I know about them because I've been using Asahi Linux on my MacBook. And I've been reading blogs of Asahi Linux team member, and they wrote that they've been hugely inspired by this project and has took a lot of code from it. And it really helped to reverse engineer Apple Silicon GPU. Well, no shit, but for what? Like, to do what? Okay. Anywhy Flake. So I have... Damn, I mistyped it. So I have a keyboard, right? And this is version 1.0. Right? 1.0. And I'm gonna to release version 2.0. And this poster is for 2.0 version. I'll post it on Reddit, on everything, you know? Like, and it's gonna be here. Or like right here on the main page. And also it's gonna be... it's also gonna be here, you know, on my, like, portfolio page. And I think it should be good. It will also, like, add style points to my portfolio. To replace the images? Bro, that's amazing, really, though. Seriously? Thank you. Thank you. I mean, like, to be frank, I feel like it's gonna take me another few months to release the keyboard. Because, like, I have 3 sizes, right? 2 of them have the same PCB, so medium and small have the same PCB. I soldered medium and it works absolutely perfectly. Which means small size gonna work the same way. So I don't, like, technically have to solder it. However, I have to solder large version because it's different PCB. Right? It has the same layout. I mean, I made it with same layout, but I could just make a mistake, so I have to solder it and test if it works. The problem is, I have controllers only for another soldering, but I also want to update soldering guide, build guide. There are images with version 1 PCB, right? And I have to create new images for version 2.0. I don't want to make it with large version because it's like gonna be a little bit cluttered on the images, plus I want like, I want to specify about breaking PCB. I want like show that you can break it and show on the photos how to break this PCB, like the outer pinky. So I have to solder another small size PCB. But I don't have enough controllers, so I have to order another controller. Then after that I have to rewrite all the documentation. I have to learn the Blender, which I have no idea how long it will take, so I can make a working render, you know, which is gonna fit this image well. Yeah, and I also have to, like, there are a lot of things I don't like about enclosure. I want to tweak around with this scene, right, and add several models, yeah. Like, for instance, I have this one prototype, like, it's basically, like, how's it called? It's called stand, I guess, right? Holder, and it's like stands on your desk, like that way. But I still not quite satisfied with the design, and I have to change the enclosure to update this one. So it's like there is work to do. Yeah, and on top of that, I love to procrastinate a lot. And I have to do like programming projects so I can get hired. So probably it's gonna take another few months, even though this PCB was ready like a few months ago. I'm really garbage in design, so I'll find everything cool, but I mean, like, I'm not gonna lie, I was really impressed that I was managed to do that. Like, I can tell that I'm garbage in design, but like, I never invested time significantly in design. I've been just playing around it from time to time when I was making sites on something, and just naturally this skill like grown so much that I was able to do this like in half a day. And I was not even expecting that. It's really cool. Documentation. Yeah, I mean, like, okay, I have LLM, right? I have LLMs. All documentation is already written. I have to just ask LLM to rewrite it, to tweak it, and then manually just review it. There are like kind of not a lot small tweaks I have to do there, right? So it should not be that hard. Eating break to talk about work again. Oh, that's 3D printed? Yes, it's 3D printed. Like, yep, here we go. So I got this in, right? And I printed there. Like, I'm not sure if you can see that. Damn, I'm such a bad, like... Yeah, it's actually pretty good, you can see the layers. I mean, they're hardly visible in real life. I'm not sure if camera will show them. But yeah, it's fully... Okay, here you can see it. Like... Here is overhand, right? It's bridge. So you can see the plastic like going down a little bit, and because of that you can see layers. Okay, now give me a minute. Rotate it and go back. Yep. Oops, my bad. Maybe you can even add something to hold your headset? You mean this? Do you really need I have to hold it? Like hold the keyboard and the headset? Maybe. The burrito was amazing. Yeah, bon appetit. Oh, it was already amazing, so I guess not bon appetit anymore. I was too late. Merci. Okay. Little bit late, yeah, my bad. Anyway, I have to figure out how to use Blender. Like, I'm a smart fella, I asked Gemini how to do that, and I hope it will do everything for me, right? Okay, I got this. I have to export switch, actually. I want to remove top, remove contact, remove this, remove not this. How do I remove that? Wait, pin too. Remove. Okay, nice. Now I got top. And I'm not sure if I need bottom, right? Like, they're gonna be visible only from the top. Oh, I need it. Because this thing is gonna be absent, right? AI is the future for tutorial, like, true. That's so true. I mean, at this point we can say AI is the future for everything, I don't know. Like, it's hard to say what AI can do in, like, far future. Whenever AIs are too good in cybersec, I'm leaving tech for science or mathematics. So you think whenever they are gonna be good in cybersec, they are not gonna be good in science or mathematics, right? Did you hear about, like, you probably hear that Gemini has invented the new matrix multiplication algorithm, which is like one operation more efficient than the previous one, which was invented 70 years ago. Like 4x4 matrix. I mean, I hope you probably heard about it. Anyway, let's export it. To STL, mesh, save, replace. Now let's leave the camera. Damn, this... it's hard. How do I move? Shift, yeah, makes sense. Kinda. Kill chop. Okay, good. Actually pretty good. Oh, I don't need plates. Those plates are for MX switches, I don't need them. I don't need them. I have to re-export it. Top left, top right, remove. Oh, not top, plate. My bad. Plate left, plate right. Select all of that. Export. And closure, I guess, save. Replace. Okay, first, I have like a serious question for you. What's your opinion on AI replacing jobs? Are you afraid? Like, imagine you just can job. Well, you can work, like, just no options. You can get hired, I guess that's a better way to put it into words. Should I do it? I probably should not do it that way, right? Anyway, it looks really... like, natural. Just as it should be. I need keycaps. Which keycaps do I want? Oh, I got... how's it called? Kill P lame keycaps, Kill P lame. Do I want to showcase my keyboard with these keycaps? Probably yes. Actually, probably yes. Right? I'm not sure. Actually, I'm not sure. Like, they're so rounded and my keyboard are so edgy. Anyway, I guess should be fine. Should be fine. Right? Yep. I mean, like, these keys are gonna be so much recognizable. But on the other hand, these keys will give more, like, the image understanding of how you should put your hands. It's a tough problem. Anyway, let's just use what I have right now. STL. MX10 plus MX size. Okay, let's just install normal. Then I add another switches. Probably better to say other switches. Import STL. Okay. And let's assume it's aligned properly. Actually not bad. Yeah, good. Okay, let's get back. Import the steels. Organize your scene. Actually, I want to drink some water. Okay, sorry about that. Organize your scene. Look at the outliner in the top right corner. You'll see your imported parts listed. Yep. Double click on each one. Rename them to something like enclosure switch. Switch. Keycap. Assemble the parts. Select one of your parts, like keycaps. One of the left side of the screen. On the left side of the screen, you'll see the toolbar. The important tool are move, rotate, scale. Use the move tool to position. Seriously, can I like make it like, I don't know, in a correct way so they're like perfectly aligned? Click and drag axis. You don't need to. You don't need to be perfect. Just get keycap sitting on the switch and the switch inside the enclosure so it looks correct from distance. Okay. I mean, I thought, like, I thought I'll have to do it properly after that, but okay. You know what I'm gonna do then? I want to hide enclosure, or set the position of this. And the position of this. Right? And then I'll just move it up. And it's gonna be almost perfectly aligned, you know, almost. Also, I don't know like how deep it goes. Probably until the shell, right? Just like that, I guess. Wait, is it? Like inside... Okay, now it goes through the... another model. Okay, I can specify it here. 5. Okay, that's too much, so it's 0.5. Maybe, I guess just like that. Okay, good. Looks pretty good, not gonna lie. Creating a simple photo studio. My keyboard has around 50 keys. How do I efficiently copy and place all the switches and keycaps? Okay, let's wait. Let's see. Let's see. NVK, I don't need it. Flake docs. Not for now, I guess. Wizard. Yep. So that's it. New line. Here's much more efficient workflow. Preparation, create a key unit. Before duplicating anything, you need one perfect assembled unit to copy. Yep. Isolate one switch and one keycap. Hide everything else by selecting them in the outliner top right and clicking the eye icon. Position them perfectly. Move the single keycap to so it sits perfectly on the single switch. Yep. Parent the keycap to the switch. This is the most important step. When you parent an object, the child keycap will follow the parent switch whenever it's moved. How do I just move it? Kick up to switch. Wait. Switch, kick up. How do I do that? First click to select the keycap, then hold shift and click the select switch, the parent. The parent object should have a brighter orange outline. Wait, keycap, shift. It selects everything, what the hell? Okay, I used command instead. Press Ctrl P and choose Object Keep Transform. Command P. Object Keep Transform. Okay. Why is it called Object Keep Transform? It's kinda confusing. Is there anything else to it? Now try it out, select only switch and move it. Okay, it works. Nice. Optional but highly recommended. Set the origin point, the origin in the object pivot point. By default, it is the center of the object geometry. It's much easier to place the switch if its origin is at the very bottom center. Okay, I mean it's good enough. It's like, I don't know, it should be. Wait, what have I done? Okay, let's skip it. Now that you have your master key unit, here are the best ways to place them all. Method 1, the array modifier, best for grid-like layouts. Actually, I don't have grid-like layout. This is the most powerful and efficient method for keyboards, as they are essentially grids. You will use 2 array modifiers, one for the row and one to duplicate the rows. Oh, actually it's good. Actually it's good, so I can like align them properly. Oh, why don't I have my cam working? It was weird. For array, for the x-axis row, count. So this is the number of keys in your longest row, e.g. 14. Relative offset. This creates copies based on the object size by default factor. 1 for row of keys, second array. Add modifier. Again, add array modifier count. Class 5, relative offset. This time you want to duplicate the entire row you just made along the y-axis. You should now have a perfect grid. Okay. Dealing with staggered layouts and special keys. The array modifier creates a perfect grid. Real keyboards are staggered, no problem. Apply the modifier. Once the grid is positioned correctly... Okay, actually I want to scale it for the stream. Once the grid is positioned correctly over your enclosure, you need to make the copies real, so you can edit them individually. In the modifier stack, hover over the first array modifiers and press Ctrl A to apply it. Do the same. Okay, interesting. Separate the keys. Now you have one giant object with a multiple. Okay, adjust. Okay, manual duplication with snapping. Best for ergo speed. Why? Weird layouts. If your keyboard is on simple green, the array modifier is less useful. In this case, you'll duplicate your master key unit, but use Blender's snap perfect placement. Snapping tools for perfect placement. Turn on snapping. At the top center of your 3D viewport, click the magnet icon to enable snapping. In the top center of your 3D viewport, click the magnet icon. Magnet. Here we go. Grid. Move. But how can I change, like, how much I want to move it? Set snap settings. To the right of the magnet, change the snap to increment to face. Face. This will make your object snap onto the surface of other objects. Okay, select your master key unit, just the switch, since the keycap is parented. Duplicate and place. Oh my bad. That's not what I wanted. Yep. Enclosure. Duplicated. Wait. Command D. Command C, Command D. How do I... Wait. Wait. Shift D. Okay, this was not Shift D. Here we go, but it's like... It don't have keycap, which is bad. Okay, I have to do it that way. Shift D. Shift D. Yep, good. Right click immediately to cancel the automatic movement. Shift D. Okay, got it. Leaving the duplicate in exact same spot as the original. Press G to start moving the new duplicate. What's the point if, like, okay. What's the point of canceling with and move it again? Move your mouse over the keyboard enclosure where the switch should go. You'll see it snap perfectly onto the surface. Click confirm the position. You think so? Like, wait a minute. Okay, it's imperfect, not gonna lie. Not gonna lie, it's imperfect. Let's make grid. No, I'm just curious. Okay, grid works, however, I want to modify it. How do I change it? Vertex, face, volume, edge. You know, actually, I can like... Can I select the edge here? Also, it's like, that's how it works. It's kind of weird. How do I select an edge to attach? Okay, it's supposed, like, I assume it's not how it works. Edge center, edge perpendicular, volume, increment. Type of element for the snap base to increment. Okay, let's just try it out. Actually, let's reset the position. And then, you know... Okay, 1 meter. I want to change it. How do I do that? How do I do that? Median closest center, median active. Increment, face project, face nearest, increment. At grid. Rotate scale. Rotation increment. How do I change not rotation increment but movement increment? Okay, you know what I can do? I can just manually specify it. Like, not gonna lie. I'm gonna just manually do it. Okay, it's not how I want it. 0.6. Almost good. 62. Can I have... what's it called? Viewed without perspective. Orthographic, right? Because I feel like it would make life so much easier. Anyway... $95. Is it 95? Looks pretty good. I guess. Is it really? Damn, it feels highly inefficient, but I have no idea what else to do. Okay, it's definitely not aligned properly. So I have to move it here, I guess. $0.95. Okay, might be good. Can I turn the switch off for now? Yeah, that's better. Okay, it's not aligned properly. Or is it actually? Wait. I just can't see the edge, but it's probably aligned properly. I mean, these values are good, they look symmetrical. Oh, I can do it that way. I mean, it's good, it's good, it's good. Also, can I split enclosure and separate objects? Anyway, let's proceed with this. What do I do? Command C, Command V? Oh, it's not here. Shift D. My bad, I want to choose everything. Shift D. Magnet. Okay, it doesn't work. Oh, does it? Incremental. No, it doesn't. Yikes. What do I change? Why? 1 2. Okay, so I have to remove some. 9. That's not enough. 85. Okay, that one seems good. Is it actually? Wait. Damn, like, I hate this experience so much. There should be a better way to do that. It's not aligned properly. Like, it's close, but not properly. You know? Maybe just fine, you know? Just fine. Like, how millimeter doesn't matter. Also, why is it lagging so hard? I feel like this is so inefficient. Using hybrid approach, create your... Oh, wait a minute. What if I... Oh, can I select edges? I want to select edges, you know? How do I do that? Modeling. I need this edge. I need it coordinates. How can I get coordinates for this edge? Can I see them in some point? Probably not. Damn, that's hard. Oh. Okay, let's take point. Maybe it's gonna be better with point. Move. I see nothing. Like, I can see the relatives changing of distance, right? But not like global, which is frustrating. Okay, I got 46 dropped frames, that's saying good. What the hell is that? Wow. It's so bad. I have to re-export it. Wow, it's so bad. It's actually so bad. Wow, let's re-export it. Because I don't want my PC to die. Export. Can I change the quality? Save. Replace. Wait, where is the pop-up window? Export. STL. Save. Replace. Oh. Don't save. Plate right, plate left. Remove it. Select. Export. STL, save, replace. It just doesn't care, absolutely not. Enclosure, new, I don't know. It doesn't care, like, absolutely. STL step. Quick cut. Export STL with slow quality. Adjust the mesh settings during the export process. There is no export process, like really none. You need to just specify you should increase the maximum mesh deviation or surface deviation. File export. I can't. There is just no pop-up window. Just no, like none. Maybe try to close it all. Don't save. Don't save. Free cut. Enclosure. File. Export. Where is the pop-up window? I like this is insane. Open. Go edit preference, click to part design, shape view, change maximum deviation. Wait, what? Part design, shape view tab. Then select the shape view tab. Is it like my current one? Change the maximum deviation depending on the model bounding from apply. Where do I find this maximum deviation? Part design. Is it view? I would assume it's view. No, it's not a view. Let's leave it then. First, I assume you already understand that ACL is a lossy sum. What crap format is that? It is describing all surfaces with triangles, yeah. Always no longer big curves, yep. The deviation setting is preference, part design, workbench, shape view tab. Am I tripping? Shape view tab. Like part design, creative. Shape view tab. Free cut. Shape view tab. Oh wait, is this one? Fit all. Fit selection. Isometric. Align to selection. Draw style. Selection filter. Sync view. Measure. Create part. There is just no such thing. Is it here? There's just nothing. Just nothing. View. Shape view tab. By default, actually this depends on the version C. Okay. It sucks. Mesh design. Import expert. Make sure you activate the mesh design workbench from the workbench. So, okay, edit preferences. Okay. Mesh. Okay. Pretty good. Import mesh. Create mesh from shape. Surface deviation. Yep. How much do I need it? Probably 1 millimeter should be enough. Angular deviation 30. Actually not. Let's make it 0.1 and angular deviation 30, and it should fix all the holes, which is the major problem. Export. Enclosure, STL, save. Replace. Import, no, I can't do that. There are different hotkeys here. Download. Closure. Okay, now modeling. Okay, it's ain't that bad. Nice. It's absolutely not that bad. It's much better than it was. It probably could be even better. Like, I don't need even such amount of details. Oh, but I need them here. But I can smooth them, right? I can smooth the corners. There is a blender modifier, I guess. I mean, as far as I know. Okay, then. Layout. What do I do next? Turn on snapping, set the snap setting, select your master key, adjust the switch since the keycap is printed, duplicate and place. Repeat. It's not the one I like. Blender find the distance between two vertices. Measure, layout, measure. Oh, let's go. Oh, why can I zoom better? This one to this one. Do I have to drag it? Yep. 1.9. Okay, makes sense. 1.9. What about this one? 1.4. Oh, it's because it's 40 millimeters. Yeah, that makes sense. But why is it 1.9 here? It's kind of weird. Oh, because it's 0.5 here. Yeah, makes sense, makes sense. Yeah, switch size, keycap size is 19 millimeters. Everything makes a lot of sense. Then now, I want to delete this one. You know, just delete it. Got this one perfectly positioned, I hope. Then what did I do? Shift D. It's gonna be 0.5 plus 1.9. Will it work that way? Yeah, it does work. Nice. Actually pretty nice. And I guess that's how I'm gonna do that. Plus 1.9. Okay, I copied it wrong. Shift D. No, my bad. Shift D. Where is the keycap? Wait, there is something wrong about it all. 1, 2, 3, 4. Shift D. Last point 1.9. Yep, here we go. Also, I'm curious about the mesh. Because it's, like, as far as I know it... Okay, my frames are dropping so hard. Anyway, let's look at... Yeah, mesh is so bad. It's actually pretty bad. You have to optimize it. Okay, anyway, I guess that's enough for today. I got some idea what I have to do, which is good. And at least start doing that, which is also good.